What type of engine is a 6 inline, 4 inline, V8? V8, 4-cylinder in each bank. And where are the heads?
Right there.
One head here, other head here, and this is the block. And where are located the exhaust manifolds? One manifold here, other manifold here. Where is located the intake manifold? Look at the intake manifold for this engine. Pararam pam pam. And where is located the throttle body?
Right there.
Here, with the flap here. It's bolted here, you know? This is the intake manifold. Look at the gaskets with rubber for the intake manifold. Why the intake manifold have those type of gaskets with that rubber?
Because it doesn't get as hot. To seal it.
No, to seal it, not.
Because it should be the admission. How is the pressure of the admission here in the intake? Is negative pressure. Is suction pressure. What happens if I have leaks here?
You have
That's not good.
ingression of unmetered
Correct.
air.
What is the sensor that normally is located here in the intake manifold?
The mass airflow sensor.
Map. And the sensor located here.
The mass airflow.
The map. And map. This sensor is a
Manifold
critical
absolute
sensor.
pressure.
This sensor is perfect brother with what other sensor?
The mass.
With the MAF,
which mass airflow sensor.
and with what
IAC.
other one?
IAC.
With what other one? Throttle position sensor. And with other one, if the engine is turbo.
With the
Boost pressure.
with the flapper, with the
Westgate of
Westgate.
the turbo. That sensor. That's okay? Okay, later. This is the intake manifold. I have a question. What type of injection is this? Is direct? Is indirect?
That's
Can you
direct.
show me?
Direct.
So
That's indirect.
sorry, because it's
No, those are the...
no, over here on this side.
Okay. So, forget that one. Suppose that you don't have that one.
Common rail fuel injection.
This is, look at the injector here. The injector here. With this manifold is indirect. If I have another manifold with no injector here, the injector directly here is direct fuel injection. You understand? In this particular case, with this type of a manifold is indirect because it's before the intake manifold. Indirect. What is normally the temperature of this manifold? It's not hot. It's warm.
Be a little bit warmer.
What
than
is the
atmosphere.
temperature of the exhaust manifold? What is the material normally of this manifold?
Aluminum.
Aluminum or reinforced plastic
FRP.
like this. No, because it's not. What is the material of the exhaust manifold?
Cast iron.
Cast iron.
Just so you know, in the older intakes, they're still cast iron.
All right, it's clear, guys?